Okay, this is a video on my zippo windproof pocket lid. I have a question about this because I ordered it off of Amazon.com for, instead of $21.95, $13.97. So got a good deal on it, but I was wondering, all you good Zippo enthusiasts, judging on the wick and the case. Okay, there. Okay, hold on. There. And no, that's not the camera wire. It actually looks like that. Like it is actually, yeah. And with the insert, I'd like to know if it's used. And I'm not sure if you heard me or not, but I'd like to know if it's used. So if you could please leave a comment below. I'm not saying tell me how to tell if it's used. I'm just saying yes. Just leave that if it's used, okay? Yeah. Well, that's all I'd like to know, because if so, I'm not gonna order from Amazon anymore. I'll order from Zippo or something. So, yeah. And by the way, it's the green mat with the logo. And it's pretty cool because the logo's green too. I thought the logo was gonna be white, but the logo's green. But if you do want to order from Amazon, if you don't care if they're used or not, alright, the shipping's very good. I ordered it on, I don't know when, I can't remember, but it came in like 2 days or something, and I ordered standard 3 to 5, so. No, I have not put oil in it yet, or lighter fluid, as you can tell. Because my Walmart doesn't have liquid Zippo fluid. It's butane, so yeah. Alright, well, if somebody could just leave a comment saying it's used or no, or if you want to leave an explanation, that's fine, that'd be cool, but you don't have to. Alright, see ya.